Hello YouTube. Fecal incontinence, tumors and infections. Doctors warn women about the risks of anal sex. Anal sex is becoming more common among heterosexual women. In this regard, doctors express concern and consider it necessary to warn about possible negative consequences. Nowadays, any form of consensual sex among adults is not taboo. But in the case of anal sex, things are not so simple. According to doctors, women should be aware of the risks that can deprive them of their health, such as fecal incontinence, anal tumors and STIs. In addition, experts have made recommendations that will help women prepare for anal sex and protect themselves as much as possible from injuries and subsequent troubles. Preparing for anal sex takes time, but can prevent serious problems. Since women have a more complex pelvic floor system than men, preparation for anal sex and safety strategies are of great importance. Women also tend to have more fragile skin around the anus, making them more susceptible to injuries such as anal fissures, bleeding and pain, notes a New York-based anal surgeon. He also believes that the stigmatization of anal sex as dirty or gay only prevents people from properly preparing and taking care of themselves after anal sex. When performed correctly, anal sex can be intensely pleasurable. According to Goldstein, this is what more and more straight people are asking. How anal sex can lead to problems with bowel control. According to the doctor, anal fissures or small tears inside the anus and external anal tears are among the most common anal sex injuries. Minor ones may go away on their own, but more severe cases may require surgery. The authors of the study also warn of fecal incontinence, which is when a person loses control of bowel contractions. This can happen as a result of anal sex if penetration damages the anal sphincter muscle, which has nerves that regulate bowel control. Treatment may include surgery, medication, and pelvic floor therapy. How to make anal sex safe. Workout. According to Goldstein, most of the injuries can be prevented by taking care of yourself. For beginners, the doctor offers a set of dilators, which includes anal plugs of different sizes, which train the anus to relax. Start training with the smallest plug and wear it for 3 to 5 minutes at a depth of 4 to 5 centimeters inside the anus. The insertion will take 4 to 6 times because these muscles need time to relax, so be patient, the doctor warns. He recommends repeating the exercises every day for 2 weeks before moving on to the next size. In total, it can take 6 weeks to prepare with 3 corks. Food. Goldstein also said that the desire to have anal sex and the need to make it safe may require you to make adjustments to your diet. If you know you're going to have anal sex, try to avoid foods that cause stomach upset, including coffee, fatty or spicy foods. Instead, eat high-fiber foods that make bowel movements easier by bulking up stools, which promotes complete bowel movements. Lubricant. When you have anal sex, use more lube than you think you need. Goldstein also suggested that the person who is being penetrated initiate intercourse in a position on top to control depth and speed on their own. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.